Welcome to 2021! I have my new vanity area that I DIY'd. I really love it, but it's lacking in a lot of organization. You don't want to see what the inside looks like right now. So today I have 3 different DIYs for the vanity makeup area to organize makeup, jewelry, or what have you on your nightstand. Today's video is sponsored by Burt's Bees. I remember my very first memory of Burt's Bees products was my sister brought home their lemon cuticle balm, which is like the best. I'm actually wearing a full face of Burt's Bees makeup. They have an incredible makeup line that is made from natural ingredients and never tested on animals. So let's get started on the DIYs and I'll show you a few of my favorite products from Burt's Bees. I ordered all my supplies through Amazon, but working with clay doesn't require much equipment at all, and I got this 10-pound block of air dry clay for $20. The easiest way to cut blocks of clay, and bonus knowledge, cheese as well, is to use fishing wire to slice it right through. For this catch-all tray, we're adding pepper to our clay for a speckled effect. Add pepper as you fold and roll several times and adjust based on how speckly you like it. Then roll a 1/2 inch thick sheet. Cut a rectangular strip and set aside for later. I love kidney bean shaped things right now, but this dish would look lovely with any organic blobby shapes. Then place your strip on top of the dish edges, creating a lip. I used my fingernails and water to blend it into each other. Let dry and add a clear coat once finished. As you can tell, it says that it's white air dry clay, but it's not actually true white. It's more of a beigey gray. And now here are my favorite Burt's Bees products. Even though I have acne prone skin, I still prefer natural coverage for comfortable wear. Burt's Bees Tinted Moisturizer has camellia and squalane, which is calming and great for winter coverage. The blush and lip shimmer both contain vitamin E. I dust a little across the bridge of my nose to add some life to my sun-deprived face. The lip shimmer is minty and wears like a lip balm with super subtle pearlescence, not chunky glitter. I love peachy shades, and the blush that I'm wearing is Bare Peach and the lip shimmer is in Apricot. The Burt's Bees mascara gives my lashes a perfect hint of color that is a game changer from my usual black mascara. I don't even feel the need to wear eyeshadow or eyeliner because it just adds that perfect pop. For this wavy tray, I'm actually tinting the clay instead of painting it. It's a great way to use up old gloopy paint and has a different effect than painting on after drying. Just be ready for the mess. You can adjust color based on how pigmented you want it, but I found that it kind of darkens as it dries. I almost didn't notice a difference until I held it up to the original clay. I'm adding magnets to this tray for an easy way to collect metal items, but also because I'm just so tired of losing bobby pins. I tested it under the clay first and it holds very nicely. Just keep in mind that your clay will be at a higher risk of cracking as it dries. I would have spare clay handy and patched it as it dried. Roll out a piece of clay at least 10 inches in length and cut into a rectangle. Then gently tuck the top in until it naturally forms a hump. It's okay if cracks form, just have a cup of water handy to smooth it out later. At the top of your wave, push aside a bit of clay and place your magnet in, covering with a scrap clay and water. Repeat for the rest of your waves and let dry. This wavy tray is great if you have cheap jewelry like me, but it's also great for holding things like lip liner, eyeliner, and lip balms. I've always disliked having my makeup out on the table, and even though organizers come very understated, I just couldn't get into it. So I have this little lipstick caddy that I'm going to disguise. First, roll out the clay and place the tray a bit away from the edge. Cut along the base, leaving lots of room on the sides, and draw round edges at the top. We're making a cloud-shaped lipstick holder. I originally had it wrapped around the whole container, and then this happened. I'm such a klutz. So instead I'm gonna make a front panel and a back panel and no side panel. But I mean, honestly it looks better than the first version. After these 2 pieces dried, I glued it to the front and back of the caddy, spray paint the whole thing once dry, and add a bit of shadows if you'd like. The second version actually looks much better, so I think the DIY was just telling me that I didn't make the cut. I hope you enjoy these functional DIYs and makeup organization ideas. Thank you to Burt's Bees for sponsoring this video, especially as somebody that really likes wearing no makeup. I like to be very comfortable in my makeup and not feel like I'm wearing a lot, and I mean, I will be a diehard fan of their lip balms. So if you want, you can follow me on Instagram at LetitiaQ, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!